everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my camper. And I have this screen here. It's like a little extra laptop screen. Works great for my laptop, but I wanted to hook up my what's it called, a fire stick to it, so I could watch TV on this thing too. And if you look at it, it's got the different ports on the side, and it's got like USB-C and basically it's all it's got is USB-C ports. It's got a few of those, and then it's got this little HDMI, this little mini, super duper mini HDMI. So this comes with a big HDMI. So somehow I need to get the little HDMI into the big HDMI. It's a little into big, and it comes with a wire for it. So you see, it came with the wire to go from the little one to the big one. But then how do I get this big to the big? These don't go together. And so I got myself these little adapters here, this little thing here. So it's a little female to female HDMI adapter, and we're gonna see if this thing is gonna work. So let me plug in my little HDMI. So now we have this wire going into the TV, into the little screen. Let's see if I can aim it down slightly. Okay, there we go. And then we have our Fire Stick here, which needs power, so let me plug that in. Okay, so now this Fire Stick should be powered up and ready to go, but it's not going to get into the screen without going through this adapter. So you see, we go into the female side of that, and then the female side of this, and let's see what we get. And there it is, Fire TV. So that's pretty sweet. So definitely, so I bought myself a pack of those because they were ridiculously cheap. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It came with 6 of them. Have no idea what I need 6 of these for. I mean, I guess if somebody really wants one of these and they want to send me their address, I can send them one or something, but they were pretty inexpensive to buy them. I'm going to put a link to these in the description. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel as well. And now I can use my Fire Stick on my little portable screen, which is sweet, and I can take this with me. So now I can use, basically, I use this as a second monitor for my laptop, but sometimes I just want to watch like Fire TV if I'm going to a hotel or something like that, and don't want to watch the Fire TV on my laptop, or watch shows that are only on Fire TV that aren't on that. So this is perfect for that. So definitely love it. And so this just regular old Fire Stick works for me. So thumbs up and like this video, subscribe to my channel again, and I'm going to put a link to these little dealies in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself, or if for some reason you know me and you really want one of these things for something, just send me a message and I will send you one too. Okay, bye. Thanks everyone.